Hey guys, it's Caleb over here at Darrell Waltrip Buick GMC. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the kicker system on your brand new Sierra. So let's hop right in. Step is to open up your tailgate all the way. And then automatically you're supposed to have it coming up. Now you have blinking, which is going to be, your pair mode. But then you're going to press the power button. You're going to be able to click that. So now it's off. You press it again, turning it on. Now we're on all the way, and then you click it to go through the different options, and then you're in Bluetooth. Once you've got into pairing mode, you're gonna go into your cell phone here. You're gonna click OEBT Kicker. That's just the name of this kicker system. And then now it's connected. Now you go to your music, and then you start playing music off of it. And it gets up pretty loud. That's how to pair your phone to your kicker system on your brand new Sierra. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all soon.